What is energy-efficient building structure? EEFs. Buildings that are designed to maximize the use of the energy they receive by reducing energy loss, such as by reducing heat loss through the building envelope, fall under the category of energy-efficient buildings. In terms of cost, comfort, and environmental impact, energy-efficient houses are the best option. The consequences of failing to address inefficiencies in the construction process might last for years. However, a more effective strategy for making a building or house more efficient is to consider energy-efficient building planning and design in consideration throughout construction, which is economical in the long term. For instance, many countries have built-in energy efficiency standards, but in some cases, it's better to go above and ahead of these standards and create a more energy-efficient home. For this reason, as well, a house must be considered as a whole when trying to boost its energy efficiency to its maximum potential. Energy-efficient heating and cooling systems won't help if the insulation isn't doing its job of keeping the heat in and out of the house. Why to build an energy-efficient house? Energy efficiency in a building can be enhanced in several ways, and numerous different aspects of the building can be changed to achieve this. Warm air can be kept inside or outside of a home more efficiently by a combination of superior insulation, double-glazed windows, doors, skylights, air conditioners, and fireplaces that operate at high efficiency. When it comes to making a house highly energy efficient, a thermostat is a crucial piece of the puzzle. Having a thermostat and utilizing it properly are both equally vital. As a whole, there are a variety of ways to improve efficiency. Ensuring that the walls and roof have adequate levels of insulation, and consulting local guidelines. Using weather stripping and caulking to weatherize the building. Gas fillings, as well as the best glazing and window frame, should be installed in high-quality windows. Installing and evaluating high-performance systems throughout the life cycle of the building. A building's energy efficiency can be assessed through energy audits, which can help identify areas for upgrading that are both energy efficient and cost-effective. The overall strategy for achieving high-efficiency buildings comprises reducing building energy demand, generating energy locally from renewable resources, and utilizing energy by designing the buildings that create excess energy that can be eventually supplied back to the network grid system. Buying an energy-efficient home. A home's energy efficiency can be determined in several ways. Checking the Energy Star ratings on your home's equipment is an easy first step. Energy Star rated appliances are more likely to be found in homes that were built with this in mind. High levels of insulation and other conservation measures are included in our 2000 homes, which are considered exceptionally energy efficient. Natural resources regulations help in the construction of these houses, which have high-efficiency heating, windows and doors, water-saving fixtures, and mechanical ventilation as standard features. Importance of energy-efficient building. Because of the enormous demand for energy and the short-term nature of energy supply, it is becoming increasingly important to have a structure that is energy efficient. As a result, even homes must take a closer look at their own energy consumption. Buildings that are more energy efficient can save money and reduce greenhouse gas emissions. It's also not sustainable to use non-renewable fuels, which necessitate the use of ever more damaging processing methods. Nearly 40% of total U.S. energy usage is accounted for by buildings, including homes and other structures, so improving their efficiency will reduce the future reliance on fossil fuels. Smart design is the first step toward cost-effective zero-net energy houses. All of the energy efficiency measures that go into designing a net zero home must be well known to architects and designers, as well as builders and potential homeowners. Additionally, the house should be structured such that contractors may carry out these measures as cost-effectively as they can. Builders should request designers to pay extra attention to a number of design parameters. These important aspects will not be overlooked if the designer and builder maintain open lines of communication. Advantages of energy-efficient building. Building a more energy-efficient structure has both environmental and human advantages. One of the main advantages of renovating or creating a more energy-efficient home is the reduction in heating and electricity costs. Generally speaking, homeowners may expect to recoup the costs of energy efficiency improvements within a short period of time, notwithstanding the upfront investment. Another benefit of increased awareness and support for green technologies is lower prices for some gadgets while simultaneously promoting additional advancements in energy-saving technology. In addition, when new construction methods become more widely used, their environmental impact will be reduced as the need for more energy-efficient structures is mandated by law. Innovative construction offers a greater opportunity to include new energy efficiency measures than an already completed structure does for focusing on energy efficiency. It's also less expensive to build a more energy-efficient home from the beginning rather than retrofitting an existing home. I hope this video provides you with in-depth knowledge of energy-efficient buildings and their usage. Please feel free to like, share, and comment.